welcome to the flash sale. Now I'm going to use the same page, the sales will change but the URL will remain the same, so it's marilyn.thrivecart.com/flash-sale. As I said, the offers will change but the page will remain the same. So my suggestion is to bookmark the page. Today it's up to 80% off, and this is a kind of one of those unique workshops. It's the Soul Plan 1-day online, CIT stands for Core Issue Therapy workshop. I say this one is unique because there are not many CIT practitioners in the world, and this one does what it says on the tin. It's about getting to the heart and the core of the issues using a number of different processes, including looking at the soul plan polarities. There are 7 of those. The day covers things like uncovering core level blockages, releasing old trauma, pinpointing those polarities, clearing limiting beliefs, gain future insight, identify what we call the separation patterns. You'll see those coming up in a second. And it's a really fantastic, amazing day. And there are 8 then interventions that you can do as well. And in terms of those interventions, those were done on a collective group basis, but it's always so interesting when people watch the recording, it still very much relates. So absolutely fascinating this one is. Now it's a limited time sale, so normal price is $497. It has been for the past 3 years at the time of recording this video. It's £79. You can kind of work out the dollars from there, and time is running out because these offers are going to be for 24 to 48 hours. This one is 48 hours, and the beauty of this is you can take part online on demand from the comfort of your own home or office, privacy of your own space. So grab this one while you can. And if you know anyone who could benefit from taking part, please feel free to share this offer with them. marilyn.thrivecart.com/flash-sale. For those of you I haven't met, my name is Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach. I will be your facilitator throughout. And if you want to know what's coming up, head on over to my main website, transformationstm.com. When you land on the website, there's a red watch new button, so it's coming attractions, and also a reminder there's a 10% saving on this flash sale for those of you on my e-newsletter list, and 25% off for those of you who are in my online membership group. So again, the URL marilyn.thrivecart.com/flash sale. If you're not yet an e-newsletter subscriber and you want to get that code next time I do a flash sale, then once you're on the Transformations website, top left, you'll see a button where you can subscribe to my MailChimp. And yeah, just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Bookmark Marilyn, Marilyn, Devonish, DEVONISH.thrivecart.com/flash sale. And enjoy the Core Issue Therapy Day. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach and a Rapid Transformation Specialist, over and out.